Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Facebook. Today's most of the people using Facebook account for social activities. Some people misuse the Facebook account to share the inappropriate content, photos, message. In this situation, how can you report the Facebook for this violation? Let's learn. Open your Facebook account. In the news video, if you find any inappropriate content, then you can report on the Facebook. This is showing for just example. I have to click on the more icon. Here you have to click on the report post. Then you have to click on the violation reason. So then you have to click on the submit. This report will be sent to Facebook. After Facebook reviewed, they will be block or remove the content. You can also report the message by go to Messenger. Here a lot of people send the inappropriate content. Click on the particular message, then you have to click on the privacy and support. Here you have to click on the report, then you have to choose the reason, then you have to click on the done button. This report will be sent to Facebook. So you can also report the photos. So you have to go to friends list. You can choose any one of the friends. Here you can choose the photos and click on the more icon. Here you have to click on the find support or report the photo. Here choose the reason, then you have to click on the submit. After submit, the Facebook review the photos and remove if the content violation. In this way you can report someone activities to Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.